Yeah, but I'll get all the girls.
Red green, Brent Nelson coming in third, barely missing the advancement. In second place we have red and blue, Andrew Shelton, and